Hello friends and loved ones, welcome once again to OBAAPA'S recipes. Today I'm going to show you how to make the best party oven waakye. Yes, this is so amazing. If you are trying to make it for your parties, your special occasion, your weddings, your gatherings, this is the best recipe that you can easily make at home. So please don't go nowhere, come with me and let's start cooking. Alright friends, so right here I have my black-eyed beans. Yes, this is a black-eyed beans. You can use the red ones. Normally they used to prepare like gari and beans, but today we're going to use that one to prepare a waakye. These beans right here, I've already taken the bad ones out, so next we are just going to wash it twice and get it ready. Yes, so if this is your first time trying this recipe, this is called waakye in my local language, but normally you can call it rice and beans. Yeah, and if this is your first time, I'm gonna encourage you to try at home. You will be amazed and you're gonna fall in love with this. Yes, it is so delicious and very easy to prepare at home. Yes friends, so I'm gonna wash these beans twice. Alrighty friends, so after we wash our beans, we're just gonna go ahead and fill it up, and then we're gonna cover it and have it rest for about 15 minutes. Alright, so we have here our water already on the stove and it's almost boiling. So after 15 minutes, go ahead and add your beans in here. And then I have my sorghum leaves, that is waakye leaves. Yeah, I'm gonna add that as well, but if you don't have it, you can just add about 1 or half teaspoon of baking soda in here, and it can cook it the same way as the waakye leaves, but the waakye leaves is a little bit healthier than just baking soda. So while you let it cook, it's gonna look really messy. As you can tell, it's boiling and looking really messy, but make sure that you cook the beans halfway, not completely. So on this side I have washed 2 cups of basmati rice. You can use any preferred rice of your choice, and I like more beans in my rice. That's how I like my waakye, but if you prefer less beans, it's up to you. You can decide. Yeah, but I really love my waakye also soft. Yes, when I cook my waakye, I like it to be soft, but because you're using the basmati rice, of course it's gonna come out singles and beautiful. Yeah, so after you stir, go ahead and add the water from the beans and the leaves. Just add a little bit because of the beans, so you don't have to add more water. So I add about 1.5 to 2 cups in here. And let's go ahead and add your salt, just to make sure that it's the right taste for you. And also make sure that you cover this. So I'm going to show you very soon. I have here my aluminum foil, and that is what I'm going to use to cover it since you're going to bake it in the oven. And please go ahead and set your oven into a high heat, or if your oven says broil, normally that is what I use to make or cook my rice all the time. So we're going to cook this rice in a high heat for about 30 minutes. Yes, that is very, very important. So after 30 minutes, go ahead and check the rice, and you see that it is almost done. Yes, so make sure that you stir and make sure that everything is cooking well and evenly. That is how we like our waakye. As you can tell, it's on shakra. Yes, that's how I like my waakye. Perfectly cooked when you use the oven. So cover it back again and leave it on for about 10 minutes, and then your waakye will be ready. So while your waakye is almost done, go ahead and get your stew, your shito, your gari, macaroni or noodles or whatever you want to eat, your salad, just go ahead and serve that with it. Just look at that beauty right there, that deliciousness right there. That is how you want to cook our waakye. But if you don't have the oven, you can simply cook it on the stove as well. Either way works, but to me, this is the best and the quickest way, especially if you're making this recipe for parties, for gatherings, just use the oven because that is very, very easy. Or even if you're making to sell, yeah, this is the best way. Alright, so we are almost done, friends. I'm adding my salad on this side because a little bit of gari, salad, and the other stuff make it perfect. Okay, that That's what make it waakye. And then my journey day a waakye. What you say? Yes, so go ahead and add all your stews, your shito, your fried egg, your fried beef, just serve that with it. And you know what I'm missing? I'm missing avocado. Oh, the refi, but that's okay. If you have some, go ahead and add it as well. Alright friends, so this is how I prepare authentic Ghana oven waakye, just like your favorite street side waakye. It's even better than the restaurant one. So I hope you really enjoyed it. Let's dig in there and start eating this food because it looks so delicious. Everything looks perfect and very inviting, and you are all invited, friends. Just join me and let's dish this out and complete it. Yes, so thank you so much friends for watching. If you truly enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to share among your friends so they will have a piece of it and also learn how to prepare this new method of cooking waakye. I hope you should be around so I come your way. Stay safe, stay joyful, and have a blessed day.